how to buy USDT on Binance. So you have to locate your Binance app first and then open it. And then at the bottom here, you have home markets, trades, futures, and wallets. So we'll be showing you one way to do it. You're going to click on wallets, and to buy USDT, we need to get to spot. So we can get to spot by swiping to the left and it takes us to spot, or if we are in overview, we could simply tap on spot. And then we're going to come over here to the search icon. Of course, you could scroll to look for your USDT, or we could come over here and search for USDT. Now, when we find it, we're going to click on it, and then you have some options here to do some transactions. Well, since we want to buy USDT, we'll be choosing the option to buy with USDT. So we are going to select you go get to put the amount. So we're going to go with minimum amount. So when it comes to the payment method, and you have the option to use perfect money, Skrill, or fiat payment, you can now go ahead and purchase your USDT. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.